Trump's Department of Justice isn't just repeating the past, they're actively dismantling checks and balances right now. The Department of Justice's political corruption unit is gutted. From 30 lawyers down to 5. And whistleblower protections under attack. Trump is trying to illegally fire the agency head, and judges pushing back. His Department of Justice reportedly told them, F you. Law firms suing Trump, he's trying to strip their clearance and cancel their federal contracts. This isn't about law and order, it's about control. Trump's Department of Justice is being redesigned to target enemies, silence watchdogs, and intimidate the legal system in real time. But what do you think?